If you look here, you'll see that the live payout information is constantly being updated. These amounts are the details of the money withdrawn by completing surveys on the Prime Opinion website. Not only that, they've mentioned that on average, a user earned $11 just yesterday. You might think this is fake, but it isn't. That's because this website has a very high Trustpilot rating. So this is a highly trustworthy website. Now, let's see how to complete surveys on the Prime Opinion website and earn money as they claim. Click the link provided in the description to directly access this website. Now, use your Gmail ID to easily sign up. As soon as I signed up, they gave me a $1 sign up bonus. Okay, now let's see how to earn money on this website. On the left side, you'll find an option called Surveys. If you click it, you'll see a list of surveys available for you. Your only job is to click on these surveys, complete them, and collect points. This is the primary way to earn money on this website. Another way is by referring others. If you click on More on the left side, you'll find your referral link. If someone signs up and earns money through your referral link, you'll receive a 10% commission. That's it. These are the ways to earn money on Prime Opinion. This website is quite simple to use. Now, let's see how to redeem the points you earn by completing surveys on this website. The minimum withdrawal limit on this website is 100 points, which is equivalent to $1. Currently, I've already received a $1 sign-up bonus. However, I cannot withdraw it immediately. This is because for the first withdrawal, you need a minimum of 500 points. From the second withdrawal onwards, you can withdraw as soon as you reach 100 points. Now let me show you the withdrawal process. Click on the Change Reward icon on the right side and you'll see multiple withdrawal options, including PayPal. Choose the option that suits you best and withdraw your money. Okay friends, these are the ways to earn money on the Prime Opinion website. Prime Opinion is an excellent and easy way to earn money, so if you have time, give it a try. Also, Prime Opinion is available on the App Store and Play Store. Those who need the app can install it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment box. And if you want to watch more videos about earning money, click on any of the videos displayed on the screen. Thank you.